Live Report!
Lubos ni kinagagalak at pinagpapasalamat ng RMN Bacolod ang pagbisita ng Canoy family sa lungsod para sa inauguration ng newly renovated DYHB at IFM broadcast station. Pinaunlakan ng RMN executives sa pangunguna ni Chairman at President Eric Canoy kasama sina EVP and COO Mr. Enrico Canoy, RMN, MMV, EVP and COO Ms. Erica Canoy Sanchez at VP for Operations and Corporate Communications Head Mr. Enrique Canoy ang re-inauguration ng RMN Bacolod office. Sa kanyang speech, sinabi ni CEO Eric na ito ay bahagi lamang ng testamento na gusto nilang ihabilin sa RMN Bacolod sa ngalan ng serbisyo publiko.
Nice to be back here to see everybody. Like any father, I guess it's nice to see your children as they keep on growing up. And the testament of that is being my children. Actually, there will be the last few times I'll be addressing everybody. Kasi dapat sila na, di ba? Mayor Rick, dapat the next generation na mag-take over na talaga. So I'm just being like Father Raymond was saying, I'm still the old acacia here. I'm hopefully not topple down. I'm tall, hopefully not proud. I'm trying to dig deeper roots and all of this that we put together.
Dumalo rin sina Iloilo Station Manager Ronel Sorbito, Calibo Station Manager Ditz Hener at Rojas Station Manager Eliazar Navarra kung saan kasama rin nila ang iba pang mga karadyuman sa kani-kanilang estasyon. Isa sa mga inihandang sorpresa ng RMN Bacolod ay ang unveiling ng mural painting kung saan kita ang portrait ni na RMN founder Sir Henry Canoy at Sir Eric Canoy. Nakaguhit din ang kasaysayan ng RMN at ang patutunguhan nito sa susunod pang mga taon. Dagdag pa ni Sir Eric na patuloy na maninindigan ang RMN sa serbisyo publiko. Kasama mo sa RMN Bacolod, Radyo Man Nikki Magbanwa, Tatak, RMN.
RMN Network News!